and see what's going on in the market. But before that, usual disclaimer, guys. Disclaimer. Whatever I say during this TikTok live or whatever I share on my computer screen, all these charts, my analysis are only for educational purposes. Please do not take any financial decisions based on my analysis. Do your own research, okay? I'm not responsible for any of your financial decisions. Okay, let's go. Cool, man. Cool. Let me adjust it a little bit so you guys can see it clear. Remember, guys, when last time I was live a few days ago, Bitcoin was somewhere here around 110,000. And I told you it is very important for Bitcoin to break this level, 113,473. This was the level I gave you. I told you it is very important for Bitcoin to break this level. And look, this is, by the way, Bitcoin's 4-hour chart. And Bitcoin broke this, closed 4-hour candles here. So this was my confirmation. And now it is moving up. So if you're wondering how high this short-term move could be, so I have a specific target. So this is a short-term target. Obviously, I don't give long-term targets on my TikTok lives. I only give long-term targets to my Discord members. If you need to know my long-term targets on Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, guys, then please consider joining my Discord group by going in my profile. There is a website in my profile. Just click on that website and you can join my Discord group from there. By the way, so anyways, this is a short-term target, guys. Bitcoin may hit this level. There's a high probability that Bitcoin can hit 117,200, okay? Before we see some kind of pause. So keep an eye on this level. You will see BTC hitting this level soon. Right now, BTC is at 115,404. Okay, so as I explained last time, guys, this was the major level, this purple line, 113,473. The moment it broke this line, look, Bitcoin is shooting up, as I explained to you. And then we talked about BTC dominance. I know you guys are wondering when your altcoins are gonna move. So let's go to BTC dominance. Remember, I was sharing this bear flag. So this was the pole, okay? This was the pole, and this is the flag. So I'm waiting for this flag to break. If you are my regular follower or viewer, you know I gave this target. So the target for BTC dominance is this one, 56.26, okay? So, but it needs to break this level. It is struggling here, but the more it touches this lower band or lower support area, the bigger chance is that it's gonna break it. So it touched once, twice, and this is the third time it is coming down. So the moment it breaks this, it's gonna come down sharply. And that's gonna push your altcoins up like crazy, okay? So I'm waiting for this breakout right now. Let me move it here. Let me change the color so we know we are looking for this breakout, okay? We need to see a breakout here. Let me delete this one. Okay, guys, so BTC dominance is about to break here, this support level. Once it breaks, it's gonna come down sharply. And that's gonna send your altcoins up like crazy. Let's see, guys, if they might hold it till next week. But I personally believe that we may see a breakdown, break of this support level, maybe tonight or tomorrow night. So let's see. Anyways, so this is Bitcoin, guys. That was BTC dominance. Your total market cap is moving up. Remember last time we discussed this. If you forgot, let me do it one more time. So this was the market top of 2017 bull run. 2017 bull run. This was the market top. When market topped back in 2017, the total market cap was 772 billion. Okay, and then it came down, went in bear market, and then next market top was in 2021 when total market cap hit $3 trillion, and then market went into a bear market, and now market is just above last top. Last top was at 3 trillion, and now market is sitting at 3.95 trillion. So we did some measurements here from 2017 to 2021. The total market cap moved up 300% almost. And right now it is up only from 2021 to till date, only 31%. If not 300%, at least I expect 100% pump in the market cap till we see some kind of top, so which will give me a level of $6 trillion. So right now the total market cap is 3.95 trillion, let's say 4 trillion, and we are expecting 6 trillion. That means 2 trillion more needs to come in the overall crypto market for us to see a top. Just hypothetically I'm speaking. This is just my projection, guys. Again, do not take it as a financial advice. Okay, and if you notice, guys, here you see some kind of pattern here on your total market cap. This is called a head and shoulders pattern, and once we see a breakout here, it's gonna shoot up like crazy. So if I give you the target for this head and shoulders breakout, even this pattern is giving me 5.5 trillion target. So conservatively 5.5 trillion, and another conservative target, if we see only 100% increase in market cap versus 300% increased during 2017 to 2021. If we only see 100% increase, it will take us to $6 trillion. So again, we have a lot of room left in this market, guys. Whoever is bearish right now, they will regret. But again, not a financial advice, okay? Let me go back. The market is looking super, super bullish. If the Asian market is buying Bitcoin right now and other coins, that means it is bullish, guys. It is quite bullish right now. So again, this is Bitcoin's, this was the Bitcoin's confirmation. I gave you this level during my last live, and now 117,200 is the immediate target, short-term target. But I have long-term targets on each and every crypto, guys. So if you want to know my long-term targets, the only place where you can get them is my Discord group. If you are not already in my Discord group, trust me, this is the time to be in my Discord group. You won't regret. You can go in my profile. There's a website, launchpass.com. You will find the website link there. Click that link and join my Discord group, because it's very important right now to have an exit plan, guys. So I provide exit plan in my Discord group for each and every crypto. Rican, how are you doing? Thank you. Scott, thank you so much. So this is so far I showed you Bitcoin. I showed you BTC dominance. BTC dominance, we need to keep an eye. We need a breakout, towards the downside. Okay. SW, how are you doing? We need a breakout here. So I need multiple red candles here. That is gonna push your altcoins. Okay, now let's go to Ethereum, guys. If you remember last time I showed you this channel, I told you Ethereum is moving in this channel right now. It hit the bottom multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It hit the top 1, 2, 3, 4, and this would be the 5th time. The more it hit a level, bottom or top, the higher the chance is that it's going to break towards that direction. So if we see Ethereum moving up towards the 4,500 guys, we may see a breakout, okay? And if you are wondering a short-term target for Ethereum, so this is how you take the target for any specific price action. So since this is a channel, so you take a target like that. The immediate target would be, let me put it here for you. This is short-term target, okay? 4746 for Ethereum. The condition is only if it breaks and closes 2 4-hour candles above this. 4499. Let's say 4500. It needs to close 2 4-hour candles above 4500. Then the next target is 4746. That's short term. Okay. Okay, let's go to Solana now. Look at Solana, guys. Look at Solana. Let me go on the daily. Oh, sorry. This chart. So Solana is looking super duper bullish. Okay. It is moving in this rising wedge pattern. So this is called a rising wedge, and it actually broke this rising wedge. Just one second, let me readjust this. So this is called a rising wedge, guys, and this is the daily chart of Solana. And Solana just broke yesterday. It broke this rising wedge, and now it's gonna shoot up from here. So the immediate target would be this one, guys. I'm feeling generous today. That's why I'm giving you short-term targets, okay? So again, my long-term targets on Solana are very high. Those are only for my Discord members. For this breakout, this could be the next target, 270. Okay. Okay, let's go to your favorite XRP. Okay, your XRP is also breaking here. It's breaking this downward sloping resistance line, guys. It was moving in this triangle for so long. So you can see with BTC dominance at the edge of breaking out this support, your BTC dominance is about to break out this support and come down. Your altcoins are pointing towards a breakout also. So your XRP is also trying to break this resistance, and this is my final target on XRP, guys, 3.80. Okay, let's go to Dogecoin. As you can see, I put this fractal, Hut Legal, thank you so much. Ned, thank you. I put this fractal here, and look how beautifully it is following my fractal so far. It broke this downward trend line, and now it is moving up. And I believe Doge is getting ready for something big, something really, really big. Okay, I'm not gonna give you any kind of targets for any other coins, guys. I'll be honest with you. I would like to keep those targets for my Discord members. So if you are not a member of my Discord group, just go in my profile and join my Discord. If you are serious, if you wanna have an exit plan. But look at this, guys. So Dogecoin is following my fractal. Let me change the color of this fractal so you can see it clearly. This was my fractal. This is what I predicted, projected, and now it is moving exactly like that. So I believe with this breakout in BTC dominance, your Dogecoin is gonna shoot up like crazy. Okay, let's go and look at Shiba now. So Shiba, look at this. It broke this downward sloping resistance line, and this is my fractal, guys. This is how I see it moving up. So Shiba is getting ready for a big move here, guys. Shiba is looking super duper bullish. Someone is Brooke is saying Shiba is a dead crypto. People said same thing about Ethereum. When Ethereum was below $2,000, everyone said Ethereum is dead. You will understand what Shiba can do in few days. Okay, anyways, this is your ADA, Cardano. Look at this, guys. And look at my fractal, guys. Look at this fractal, okay? Isn't it just following my fractal and moving just like that? Okay. You can go back to my last TikTok recording. I posted that on my YouTube channel and on TikTok also. This fractal was put during my last TikTok live. Anyway, Cardano is looking bullish. It is moving up as expected. I am more excited about this coin, guys. This breakout, don't take it, like don't ignore this breakout. This is polka dot, okay? It was moving in this triangle since July. Since July, it was moving in this triangle, and we recently saw this breakout. And I always look for 2 daily candles to close outside my levels. And now I believe this could be the next move, okay? And again, guys, I have some really nice targets on Polkadot. Okay, next coin is Chainlink. Look at Chainlink, guys. Again, following my fractal, I believe it's gonna shoot up from here. So looking good, looking super bullish, and let's see if it follows my fractal or not. But it is looking good right now. So everything is looking amazingly superb. Again, this is back to Bitcoin, guys. That's the move right now, and it can go to 117,200. That is my short-term target. So overall, the market is looking super bullish, guys, and I think this momentum is gonna continue for next 3-4 days. Thank you, Rican. Thank you so much. Ned, thank you. At least until the rate cut decision. So now listen to me carefully, guys. What is this? That was really cool. Okay, so what they can do, these big guys, market makers, these exchanges, they may try to scare you, okay? We may see this move by next week, early next week, and then on the day of rate cut or after rate cut, they may bring this market down a little bit, okay? Just to scare everyone. And then a big move up. So don't get scared. All I can say, don't get scared, okay? Don't get scared. As I showed you, the total market cap is sitting at 3.9 trillion. And as per my analysis, I expect $6 trillion total market cap till we see any kind of top. Right now we have a lot of room left, okay? A lot of room left. Okay, now I need 200K likes up there. I think I deserve 200K likes up there. So let's hit this target, 200K likes, and then I will go and analyze your coins. Whatever coins you tell me, I will analyze them. Kraken, thank you so much. Was that Thor's hammer? Thank you, Samir. Ned, thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Appreciate that. AMO, thank you so much. Appreciate that. Silk Mango. Oh, nice name. Christina. Adhikari. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. So I'll wait till you guys hit 200K likes up there. Simon says, thank you so much. Patrick, thank you. Thank you, Kraken. Yes, this is coming. This is definitely coming. Patrick, thank you. Amo, thank you. Simon says, thank you. Thank you, guys. Come on, guys, keep tapping the screen so then I can share more, more analysis on different cryptocurrencies, whatever you hold in your portfolio. You can request your tokens down there in comments, and I will analyze them. KKJ, thank you. So let's hit 200K likes up there, and then I'll go back on these charts. Will market dip if we see rate cuts? No, I don't think so. We may see a small pullback to scare you guys, but then some kind of rocket kind of moves. Keep tapping the screen, guys. We need 200K likes up there. Then I will take you back on these charts. Sui, yes, definitely I'll do that. Kraken, thank you so much. Level 22, nice. How much rate cut do we expect? I'll talk about that in detail. I'll talk about that. Let's wait, okay? Mr. Gill, thank you. Thank you. Paulino, thank you. Simon, thank you. Joy, thank you. Come on, guys, we are about to hit 200K likes. America 1, thank you. Do some analysis on Trump coin? Sure, I'll do that. We will do analysis on each and every coin you hold in your portfolio, guys. Okay. Okay, guys, we just hit 200K likes, so thank you so much for that. Thank you so much for your support. This is important. I don't get any benefit out of likes, but the more likes you give me, the more people will see my live and they can come and join us. So we can help more people. Anyways, so this is again, guys, Bitcoin sitting at 115,391. And this is my immediate short-term target, 117,200, okay? Now let's go over your coins. The first coin is Filecoin. So let's check Filecoin. Yeah, so Filecoin is looking good, by the way. Filecoin just broke this descending trend line, but I would like to see a breakout of 2.62. Once we see even one daily candle closing about 2.62, it is super duper bullish, guys. Then we're gonna see a sharp move up. So Filecoin is bullish, okay? Filecoin is looking super bullish. Next coin is AVAX. Okay, this is AVAX. If you remember, a few days ago, I gave you a confirmation that my bullish confirmation came at this point, and then it went in sideways for so long, and now it started moving up. So this is what I was expecting, an upward move. It came a little late, but if you look at my fractal, it is following it, okay? So AVAX is super bullish, guys. It's gonna keep moving up from here. Again, keep an eye on BTC dominance, okay? BTC dominance is very important. Next coin is CRO, CRO. So let's check CRO. 1 second, guys. Okay. So CRO had a big move here, and then now it is going in sideways. So if you look at this, guys, I would say CRO will have another move up, a sharp move up from here. Okay, this is what I expect from CRO next. So I am bullish on CRO. Gala. Next coin is Gala. Gala actually gave me a bullish confirmation here, and then it went in sideways for so long. But I would say I would just stay with this bullish momentum. I think it's gonna continue moving up from here, Gala. Okay. If you look at this, there is this trend line just coming from there. 1 second, guys. So this is the trend line. Let me delete this one. And this is the downward trend line. So Gala is basically moving in this, and once it is near a breakout point. Once you see the triangle is getting narrowed, it is the end of this triangle. That means that decision time is coming. So you're gonna see. I think there are more chances for Gala to move up than to go down. So yeah, I'm bullish on Gala. Next coin is Pepe. Let's check what Pepe is doing. Okay, so I was expecting an upward move in Pepe, but it decided to come down. So let's redraw these lines. As you can see, this is the last touch point, and it stopped at the same support level. So you can, let's move it here. Definitely, I think it is also coming towards the end of this triangle. Just 1 second, guys. I'm gonna keep a same color. So it is coming towards the end of this triangle. In next 1 to 2 weeks, you're gonna see a big breakout. So I am bullish on Pepe. I think this is a very good level, you know, for what? So since we are on Pepe, I have my YouTube channel address here, guys. So if you're not following me on YouTube, guys, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Crypto King Show. If you miss any of my lives, TikTok lives, I always upload them on my YouTube channel. Plus, I post so many crypto related videos, analysis videos on my YouTube channel. So please go right now, go on YouTube, and or write down this user ID at the Crypto King Show on YouTube, and just subscribe to that channel, guys. I need your support on YouTube. So anyways, next coin is NMR. NMR. Yeah, NMR started moving up, but I think we may see a pause, a small pause here. But so something like this, a small pause and then a continuation. Okay. So this is looking super bullish, by the way. NMR. NMR. Okay. After some sideways move, I expect another spike in this. Okay, next coin is H-bar. H-bar, H-bar. Right there. Yeah, H-bar is also looking good to me, bullish to me, but I would just wait for this level to break out. So if you wanna be careful with H-bar, guys, it is bullish, but wait for 0.2611 level to break. I would wait for 2 daily candles to close above this level, and then it's gonna shoot up. 0.2611. Okay, that's the level to watch on H-bar. Okay, next coin is SUI. SUI. Okay, I was expecting, so I already have a bullish confirmation here, but it went in sideways just like other coins, so you can expect an upward move here, guys. Okay, this is creating some kind of a W pattern here. as you can see. Ding, ding, ding. We may see something like this, and then we may see a breakout and then an upward move, something like this. Okay, this kind of pattern you can see on SUI. I think it's getting ready for a move up. And also, if you notice, there is this trend line, guys. And SUI is about to break this trend line. Okay, you see this triangle? So it is almost going to break this trend line. So expect an upward move in SUI. Okay, next coin is LTC. Thank you so much, Shanna, for your support. Thank you so much. Appreciate that. LTC, Litecoin. I was expecting an upward move in Litecoin. Again, it went in sideways just like other coins. So let's see. And I think it's also getting ready for an upward. So now the thing is, now I will be a little careful here. Because as you can see, let me put some levels, okay? You're holding this coin. So this is the support line. Now you see this pattern here. This is creating a head and shoulders pattern, okay? This is actually a bearish pattern. If it breaks this level, guys, if it breaks this level, it can come down. If it breaks this level, it can come down to this level, 80. But since the overall market is bullish, so I don't think it's gonna come down. I think it's gonna break this level and gonna keep moving up from here. So it's gonna just, if it goes up from here, and hit this level. So next level to watch is this one, guys. You're holding this coin, LTC, 131.21 is the level to watch. It has to break this level to become super bullish. And it's gonna shoot up like crazy, okay? Okay, next coin is KDA. KDA. So this is KDA. It is disappointing, at least. I was expecting an upward move from KDA, but as you can see, it is creating this triple bottom here. So there was this low level, then it came back, hit this level second time, and this is the third time. So what you should do if you're holding KDA, just let me delete this one. Just wait for this breakout, guys. Okay, wait for this breakout. Once you see this breakout with the 2 daily candles closing above this resistance line, then it's going to shoot up. Otherwise, it's going to keep moving in this sideways price action for next 1 to 2 weeks, okay? It needs to break this resistance, KDA. Okay, but this is a very interesting kind of pattern. We have 1, 2, 3, triple bottom, okay? Now, once it breaks this resistance, if it goes up like this, then it's going to shoot up. But the condition is it needs to break this resistance line at around 44 cents, okay, 0.44. Okay, next coin is your favorite Trump coin. After this, I'm going to take a break and I'm going to talk to you guys for some time before I continue my analysis. Just 1 second. This is the last coin, and then I'm going to take a break for 5 minutes or maybe 4 minutes. So as you can see, guys, it has created 1, 2, 3 bottoms. but it is moving in this triangle right now, and it is coming towards the end of this triangle. So decision time is coming, and I'm telling you, soon you will see either this coin is gonna die, it's gonna die, go to zero, or it's gonna break this resistance and shoot up. There are more chances for it to break this resistance, by the way. Okay, so wait for this breakout. You have to wait for 1 week, I believe. Okay, so now let's take a break a little bit for a little bit. So guys, so far you have seen my analysis, so please give me your feedback. What do you think about these analyses? Do you think they make sense? Do you think these analyses make sense to you? Ned, thank you so much. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you guys. I appreciate that. So, thank you. Thank you so much, guys. It's always good to know that you guys are following me, and I'm providing you some kind of utility here. You are spending some of your time with me. I'm sure this is your precious time. If you are spending on my TikTok live, you should get something out of this TikTok live. So it's good to know that you guys are happy with these analysis. So guys, someone was asking me what do I think about these rate cuts which are coming next week. So we were waiting for job numbers. Job numbers are bad, no doubt about it. They are saying that there were more than 900,000 less jobs were created as compared to what they showed during the last 1 year. So their data was wrong, obviously. That's what they're saying. That's why they have revised those numbers. Their data was totally wrong. And that means the job market is not as good as they were showing us. So that was the first indicator Fed always watch, that unemployment numbers are not moving up. If they're moving up, they get worried, they start reducing interest rates. So that condition is met, that unemployment rate is moving up. It is sitting at 4.3, but I don't trust that number. I believe it is sitting way above 4.3. After this revision of 900,000 jobs, it's not a joke. So I don't trust these numbers. If you ask any of your family members or fresh graduates, whoever graduated recently, ask them, is it easy to find a job in the market? Most of them, I have practically asked so many people, and most of them have said that it is very difficult to find a job in this market right now. New jobs are not coming in the market, so definitely job market is bad. Most people who have jobs who are keeping their jobs, they are not getting pay increase. They are not getting their bonuses for last 2 years. So even though employers are keeping them, but they have reduced their cost. They are not giving them bonus. They are not increasing their salary for last 2 years. I'm not talking about everyone. Most companies are doing that. And so that's the job side, okay? The job market. Now inflation, I don't know why last month we saw PPI was expected at 0.3 and it went up to 0.9. And this time they were expecting 0.3 again, and it came in negative. So I honestly, I don't believe these numbers anymore. But I can tell you, inflation is not that high as Fed is crying that inflation may go up and this and that. I don't think so it's that high. numbers are telling you that producer price index came below projections. Your CPI today, consumer price index, also came as per projected. So now there are no excuses for Fed chairman to come and say that I can't reduce interest rates. If he says that, that means he is politically playing with the economy. He is ruining this country's economy. If he says that he's not going to reduce interest rates, that means he's got some personal problems, honestly speaking, because unemployment is moving up. Your employment claims are going up. There are no more new jobs more created in the market. You guys have revised almost 1 million jobs for last 1 year. So the situation is bad. So they will have to reduce interest rates. There is no other option. So now the second question is, how much interest rate they need to reduce? Right now, interest rates are sitting at 4.5. Do you think by reducing 0.25%, it will impact the market in a big time? I don't think so. I think they need to go aggressive now. I think they need to reduce at least 50 basis points, 0.5%, at least, because they need to bring these interest rates below 3.5% if they want to recover this economy. Otherwise, we are going in a recession, as per my analysis. In next 6 months or so, this economy may go in a recession. Again, not a financial advice, my personal analysis, my personal opinion. I could be wrong, but if you remember, I'm saying this for last 4 or 5 months that job data is a lagging indicator. Once they see bad job numbers, then it will be too late, already too late for Fed to reduce interest rates. And that is exactly what's happening. So anyways, let's expect some good news on September 17th. That's when they are going to decide if they are going to reduce interest rates or not. And I'm telling you, my personal opinion, there's no political affiliation with any parties, guys. I'm not a political person. I don't like politicians, I'll be honest with you. In my opinion, personal opinion, I believe all are same. They don't care about us. They just care about the system, about their policies, long-term policies. It's just a change of face. You don't see any major improvement in your life with their any political party. Anyways, so the thing is, I don't, if they don't reduce interest rates, guys, then there's a big issue. There's an ego issue. There is something wrong with the Fed and this government administration. And who's gonna suffer? We are gonna suffer. Because already, people who are in their 20s, they are not being able to buy their first home, because house prices are way high. They are way, way high. And plus the financial cost, your interest rates are 6%, 7% on your home loans. So who will be able to afford a house at this high interest rate and this high market? So they need to do something urgently soon. Otherwise there will be a big trouble. I'm telling you, next year. So let's see what they do. That's my total thing, guys. But I'm telling you, once they start reducing interest rates, hopefully they will reduce 0.5% this month, and then again in October, and the third one, last meeting is in December. So hope they will reduce interest rates during next 3 Fed meetings, and that's gonna bring a lot of money in the market, money supply. People are gonna go refinance their houses. They're gonna take loans. They're gonna, and the winter season is coming. Christmas is coming. People usually take loans during that time. They use their credit cards, and there is a lot of economic activity during this holiday season. And if they bring these interest rates down, that will put that will inject a lot of liquidity in this market, and you will see a lot of money coming in the crypto market and also in stocks. So I believe we still have a couple of months left in this bull market, and but eventually we're gonna see a top of this bull market. So it is very important, guys, that my point is that, let me close here. It is very important right now, if you are in any kind of investment, stocks, gold, silver, oil, crypto, it is very important that you have an exit plan. Okay, if you stay in this market after the market top, you're gonna get stuck in this market for next maybe year or so. So it is very important to have an exit plan. If you need any kind of help, I can share my exit plan with you if you join my Discord group. Come in my Discord group, I will help you out. I will show you my exit plan. If that makes sense, you can take your decision. Anyways, let's go back to the market and let's review a few more charts. So right now, Bitcoin, let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Wow, 115,500, guys. It is crawling towards my target, 117,200. Okay, looking good, guys, looking good. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is not moving much. It needs to break 4,500. Solana is doing great. Your Doge is doing great. Even Shiba is doing great. Your ADA is okay. I'm happy with this coin DOT. Chainlink is doing superb. By the way, Chainlink, this was the major level for Chainlink to break, $24, and it is sitting at 24.47. So Chainlink is looking super bullish, guys. It is looking good. Okay, and your BTC dominance, as I told you, I want to see a red candle here. Then your altcoins are going to shoot up like crazy. So we need a few red candles here. Okay, so this is the situation right now. Everything is looking good. Your Bitcoin is looking good. Where are those people who are saying Bitcoin will go to $94,000? Some are saying Bitcoin will go to $80,000. Where are those people? What did I say to you when market was here? I told you this will reverse from here. I told you it's not gonna go below 100K. It's not possible for Bitcoin to go below 100K without any solid reason. Okay. So let's check ICP. So this is your ICP. Let me go on the daily chart. ICP, I'll be honest, is not looking good because it is touching this support level multiple times. It may break down. So unless it goes and closes a candle above $6.19, I'm bearish on ICP. I am not hopeful until it breaks $6. Okay. We have already done H-bar. We have already done Pepe. If you missed, you can watch my TikTok live recording on YouTube, guys. Okay. Wait, let me see if I have that. Just one sec. Just one sec, guys. Just one sec, guys. One second. So I forgot to mention this, guys. So guys, now you have to be careful. There are so many scammers and fake accounts sitting on TikTok. So this is my only TikTok account, Crypto King 1 million. Number one, MN stands for million. So this is my only account on TikTok, guys. I do not have any other accounts on TikTok. If someone is contacting you, please be very careful because they are scammers. They are fake